Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the 2 fixing screws on the outer panel. Then take out the panel from the top of the machine. Use a utility knife to cut off the 2 foam strips on the upper left side of the blower housing. Use a utility knife to cut off the foam strip on the top front of the blower housing. Use a utility knife to cut off the 2 foam strips on the upper right side of the blower housing. Note, do not cut the switch connection wire next to the airbox. Remove the screws from the duct cover extensions, mounting bracket and take out the bracket. Insert the duct cover extension into the inner side of the outer panel, ensuring a tight and aligned fit. Align the mounting holes on the outer panel and the duct cover extension. Then secure firmly with screws to prevent any movement. Measure and locate the extension cover brackets. Center with the hanging plate's center. Then mark the cover's center. Measure down from the ceiling to mark the bracket's mounting points. For example, 350 millimeters for the total cover height. Draw a horizontal line for the bracket. Drill holes and secure the bracket. Extend the duct cover extension and secure it with the provided screws.